lady love. Your love is peaceful like a summer's breeze. My lady love, with love that's tender as a baby's touch. You give me all the things that I need so much. You're my world, lady love. Lady love, your love is cooling like the winter snow. My lady love, with love that's cozy as a fire's glow. And I keep on needing you, girl, a little more and more. And I thank you, my lady love. You know, it's not easy to keep love going smooth. People are people, and they all have their moods. But it's so nice just to have someone like you, who wants to smooth and ease in pain, and all the good times and joy that it brings. Lady love, you've been with me through all my ups and downs. My lady love, I once was lost, but now with you I'm found. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and that'll meet me is my mama and Papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. And it's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. I'll go where your music takes me, where your rhythm makes me. That's where my destiny is gonna be. I'll be your second harmony. We'll make sweet melodies ever so tenderly, 'cause we got to keep everybody searching for a dream.